Here we come to the elevator at Phoenicia in downtown Houston, Texas. And we got one of my favorite songs playing, but I have to talk over it for copyright. Anyways, this is a Schindler 338. And the music is thankfully isn't as loud as I'd expect it to be. Mezzanine. All right, try to talk over some more. All right, here we go. Okay, the music is a little bit loud up here, so I'm gonna have to try to talk over as much as I can. Yep. Yeah, the music is quite loud up here, but this is an amazing song. I really love this song. All right, talk. This is a nice elevator. Even though this is a Schindler. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching.